Agriculture is the future. This is the power of agriculture. Our country is an agricultural land. 60% of people belong to agricultural background. Once in a lifetime, you need to meet a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, but every day you need to meet a farmer.
Hello friends, how are you today? Today I am good. I would like to tell you in this video, this time it was raining heavily in our village. So this is how I was ploughing this field with oxen. One thing, we plough the field like this from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. with oxen. Here we not using tractors. Sometimes is there heavy works, then only we use tractors, vehicles only. Otherwise we use only oxen only. One short thing also I want to share with you. Ploughing in this way, then we also have a lot of leg pains, but no more, because anyway I have been ploughing since morning and will be completely done in another 1 hour only. Another thing is that two such bulls seen here, very dear to me. It is do heavy work for me every day. In agriculture, we learn many values. Be sure to farm when you can do and find out the significance of it. It is very fantastic work in our daily life. It gives many values for me, and it gives money also. I have learned that the man who farms he is always happy and healthy. This is how I think about my future. I want to be successful in my life as a student, as well as I want to be successful in my life as a farmer also. As a farmer, I sincerely want to farmers not to commit any suicide unless they have to face many difficulties and move forward. If seen in the present times, if you also have farmer lovers, be sure to subscribe to me. I sincerely hope that all of you will support me, and thank you everyone.